Hey guys, let's learn how to sort numbers or words in Excel. I have some data in my Excel sheet. In order to sort using numbers or words, first you need to select any one of the cell from top header row, then go to data, click on filter. Now you see the downward directed arrows popped up. Now if I want to sort out with the largest number on the top and smallest on the bottom, then select this one and see in columns C, the largest number is on the top and the smallest is on the bottom. Similarly, if you want to sort column D, click on downward directed arrow. If you want smallest number on the top and largest on the bottom, then click on this. Now see the smallest zero number is on the top and largest 8 number is on the bottom in column D. Let's say I want to sort data in column E with largest number on the top and smallest on the bottom of that column. And as soon as I clicked on sort largest to smallest, all the cells related to the cells in column E are also sorting out. Now let's consider another case. I want to sort words from column B. In that case, clicked on downward directed arrow. I want to have words whose initial letter is close to A is on the top, and I want to have words whose initial letter is close to Z on the bottom. So click on sort A to Z. Now see the words whose initial letter is close to A is on the top and words with whose initial letter is close to Z are on the bottom. In this way, you can sort numbers and words